if you're working with democratic participation and thinking about using any kind of AI-informed technology in this type of work, just listen up for a second. We all know as practitioners of this deliberative space that participation is often difficult and costly, and we want to engage with a lot of people in different languages and make sure that their statements and thoughts are visible and heard to everyone, right? And at the moment, a lot of people are promising that AI or LLMs or machine learning in some way could be a solution to all of these problems. And I think that for us working in this space, the most important thing is that the process still needs to be really good and sound. And we need to create meaningful democratic dialogue where everyone is heard and seen, where people are understanding each other, are able to disagree with each other, but also to change their minds in this process. So we need true democratic deliberation. I'm Elizabeth, and I work for Democratic Society, and we've been working with participation in different forms for about 20 years now. And we're part of the KT4D project, which stands for Knowledge Technologies for Democracy. And we've been experimenting with using AI-informed technologies within deliberative settings. And looking how we can do this without letting AI take over the process itself. And we just launched the Digital Democracy Lab Handbook, which is part of the KT4D toolkit, and it's made for people like us. So whether you're a practitioner, a public servant, or civic technologists working in this field, this handbook is packed with practical recipes and questions and examples from our real-world use cases showing how AI can support democracy without breaking it in the process. And we created this because we really need tools that make sure that people are in the center of these processes, not algorithms. So that the process is people-powered and not algorithmically skewed over or glossed over. So if you're curious about this, dive into our handbook, explore the tools that we've created, and check out also the rest of the KT4D toolkit, which is all online now.